got some Mitsubishi hydros.
Only the retractions.
Mm-hmm. This is an incredibly dark cab.
Yep.
We shouldn't get the other one. It has a better motor.
See anything here? Let's see both front floors. Get the other one.
You want to go to 4 and switch off?
Yeah.
What? Damn. Rude doors. Well,
Try to get the other one. It's not working.
after many 6,500 attempts, we failed to get the other one. So I guess we'll just go down this one.
Those 6,500 attempts were off camera.
Yup. I swore I heard the doors close on the other one when we're on this one.
What a weird world we live in.
Yeah, and I saw it move too, like when I was outside. Alright. At last, we have finally got the other elevator.
Here's the other apartment. Pretty much the same thing.
Yep. I don't know if it's an MCE controller thing or I don't know. It's weird.
Man, if only these were traction.
Yup. Maybe this elevator was in sleep mode the entire time. That's it.